Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on camera leveler on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you want this just like mine, I have this leveler on my camera. If you want this leveler on your camera, then you have to follow these steps. First, you just need to open your camera, and then here you will find the four dots. Tap on it, and from here you will find a gear icon. This will help you to access the camera settings. Now scroll all the way down where you will find the composition guide. Make sure this composition guide is enabled, turned on. Then after turn on this composition guide, simply tap on it, and from here you will find three options like grid lines and level. That means you will get a grid lines that can help you to get a better position, and the leveler will help you to get a better alignment. So you can get both of them for a better photo capturing. Now you can go with grid line only if you don't want leveler, so you will get only the grid line on your camera. And if you want only leveler, not grid line, so you can go with this one. It will help you to add grid line on your camera. But I prefer to go with the first option, grid line and leveler. That are the great composition. This combination, a great combination that can help you to get a perfect measurement, perfect alignment, and perfect position to capture a photo and video. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.